Today I am giving you that clean girl, I drink 3 liters of water and journal type of look, but make it realistic. Let's go. Started with a double cleanse because we don't need yesterday's regret on our face. Then I used the ordinary glycolic toner. She tingles but she works. Hydration time. Water based moisturizer is the moment. Was supposed to use niacinamide and vitamin C serum, but my brain said skip. But you have to use it. Brushed my brows with aloe vera gel. Corrected my under eyes and pigmentations because genetics said designer bag. Then a little concealer. Dab dab, don't drag like your ex dragged your energy. Foundation time. Apply it with a brush first, then bounce it with a sponge. Contoured my cheekbones and jaw. My face is actually square, so this snatches it slightly oval. Blush on the cheeks, nose and a little chin. Tiny bit of powder under the eyes. Sharp nose contour incoming. Then just finger blend and pray it's even. Highlighter, just a little glow, not a disco ball. Lip liner first, blend it with your finger like a baddie. Gloss on top. Curled lashes plus mascara, and I am doing my mascara in zigzag motion. Finished with a brown eyeshadow wing and we are done. I look like I woke up flawless even though it took 15 steps. Like, comment, subscribe, all the cute things.